Here is our new 1 3/4 inch Forstner bit. Comes in a nice little package. The machine work, I would say, is good. It's not great. You can see some rough edges here. You can see on the machine marks where these outer teeth were sharpened. You know, again, good, not great. The test hole, little rough on the bottom, little rougher around the edges. If we compare that to a couple of test holes that I did with some smaller bits, these cut a little bit smoother. So I'm still gonna keep it and use it, and it's okay, but it's not the best that I've ever used.
Cause I do.